Today we are going to be testing out a mascara. Not just any mascara, we are trying out a lash pomade. Now this is the Lorac Pro, the Lash Pomade. So this is supposedly one of the best mascaras ever made. So we are just going to put it to the test. Let's just see if that's true. So guys, if you are interested in seeing what this mascara does, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. For those of you that are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. So I looked it up to see what kind of mascaras were like the best mascaras out there. One of them was one that I just so happen have. Something like that. Is the Lorac Pro Lash Pomade. Not a mascara, it is a lash pomade. So we are fixing to test this out and just see how good it really is. So guys, let's go ahead and bounce into that video. I have got a full face of makeup on. I have got everything on except for mascara. I have not done anything to my lashes. I haven't even curled them. This is the Lorac Pro Lash Pomade. Now, this is supposed to be one of the best mascaras out. Oh, first of all, it is in shade black, just plain old black. I'm going to read a little bit about it, and then we are going to test this puppy out. First of all, the details on this mascara, or pomade. It's a pomade, not a mascara. This unique smudge-proof and flake-proof professional formula is lightweight, designed to add thickness, shine, curl, and lengthen. The custom curved brush easily grabs and separates each lash from root to tip and corner to corner for perfectly styled jet black lashes. First of all, guys, is mascara supposed to be shiny? I don't know why, but that just seems so wrong in my head. I would think it'd be matte. I don't know. I might be wrong. Comment below if I'm wrong about that. Okay, now the directions for use is apply mascara with brush curved downward from base to tip. Use tip of brush to grab and lengthen outer corners and tips. Apply 1 or 2 coats for glossed lashes. Add additional coats for thick, dramatic lashes. Again, guys, it's saying glossy lashes, and something just is not clicking in my head. That just don't sound right to me. Because when I think of a mascara, I'm thinking it's supposed to be a matte black. I'm not, again, I could be wrong about that. Could be wrong. Okay, guys, now I am going to read a couple of the reviews. Now, there was a 5-star review. I absolutely love this product. I naturally have long lashes. To be honest, I'm obsessed with them looking perfect and full. This mascara does just that. That's a pretty good review. Pretty good. Now, here is another 5-star. I use this every day and I'm in love. Every application is as if it's brand new again. I work at a makeup store and I would definitely recommend this to anybody. We'll just see about that. Alright guys, now I'm going to read some of the bad reviews. Now, I found a 1-star review, and this one for some reason it don't make sense to me. I use Urban Decay and I love it. This sales girl and me were chatting and she recommended this and it's so amazing. Okay, do you know why those stars are there? Because usually a 1-star, I would expect a bad review. Now there is a 2-star review right here. This mascara is kind of a hot mess. In this day and age, every cosmetic company tries to differentiate their mascara from all of the other ones out there through packaging. This packaging is basic. The wand looks like a reverse giant raindrop. It's bizarre. The wide section is not wide enough and it's hard to maneuver beneath the lashes. It is dry and very clumpy. I won't ever use this again. Now that's how you use them stars. Now this last review I'm going to read, it is another 2-star review. I really wanted to love this mascara, but it just fell short. It is very clumpy. The brush is not designed well at all. Globs get stuck in it, and they clump on the end of my lashes. That's kind of scary. I have had mascaras that do that, where they just clump like right at the end of the lashes. So I got her there. Now, the wand, I mean, first of all, packaging, I love it. I think it's very nice. It's very sleek, very just clean. It just looks clean to me. The brush, I don't see anything wrong with the brush. I kind of like the way that it is shaped. I kind of like the length of the separation of those. That looks like it would grab a lash really good. Now, I've used it a couple of times. It's okay, but it just didn't wow me. So now we're really going to get down to the nitty gritty, and I'm going to test this puppy out just to see what she does. And everybody's lashes are different, so it's probably going to work different for everybody. Now, one person on there said it was a very dry formula, and I like a mascara with a more drier formula, if that makes any sense. For some reason, I don't know why. Now, this don't seem that dry to me, and when I pull my brush out, as long as I wipe off the excess, I don't really see any clumps in the brush itself. So guys, let's just move on in closer and get this going. Okay guys, now I'm not going to curl my lashes because this is supposed to lengthen, curl, and add fullness. So I'm not going to curl my lashes, okay? So here is the before of my lashes. Because of my birthmark, for some reason, these lashes over here are so much different, and they are awful. They are pitiful, awful lashes. Okay, now when I open my wand, I usually wipe the excess, especially off of the tip of any wand, and that's any mascara that I use. So I'm going to wipe the excess off of all of this brush. Let's just see what she's got. Now, usually I'll hold mine like this. Let's see. And then I'll take the tip and I'll just kind of run it to where I cannot, if they got tips like this, I'll run it to where I cannot get in there, like for the little itty bitty lashes. And then I'll just usually take the end and do it the same there. Now I do coat both sides of my lashes because you know what I found out? If I'm taking a picture of my eyeshadow look, and your eyes closed, you don't see hardly any mascara on the lashes. So I do coat both sides. Now, the way it's going on, and look, I just done that. That was me. That was me. I'm a mess. But the way it's going on, I don't really mind it. Now, it is separating lash, and it's definitely adding length. I could see that. Let's try the bottom lash. I think it's really working good for that lower lash line. I really like the way my lower lash line looks right now. Now, for the lower lash line, guys, do y'all see that? I love the way it looks. It's not clumpy at all, and I don't see anything clumping up or anything, but we are going to go in for a second coat. Now, if you can see the difference. Now, again, my lashes on this side, because of my birthmark, my eye is shaped kind of different. So my lashes are way different. Like, my lash does this really weird thing here, especially this one. And it's the ones in the middle, like, separate right there. And I can't never get them to come together. But I'm pretty sure you could tell the difference with the mascara on and with the mascara off. Now, again, I'm really loving my lower lash line. I would not coat that again or anything. I really like it. So now I'm going to add it to my other lashes, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. They are extra long on that eye for some reason. And it's my birthmark. I don't know what it is. But you'll be able to see it once I get these darkened up. Now, there was a clump, but that's because I didn't really wipe the excess off that good. Well, as well as I did it for the first eye. And again, I coat both sides. And I do feel it grabbing onto the lashes. So I do really like that. And again, that lower lash line, guys. I think I found a new mascara for that lower lash line. Now, I don't know exactly what the difference between a pomade mascara and a regular mascara is. I'm not sure there, but I'm actually, you know what, guys? This ain't so bad. I mean, they are full. They have separated the lashes, so they are not giving me those spider leg lashes. I don't know how well y'all could see that. Now we're going to go in with a second coat. And again, wiping off the excess. And this is not really as dry as a formula as I thought it was by reading some of the reviews. And again, I can feel it pulling on the lashes. So that is very good when a brush is actually grabbing to the lash. And yes, wow, very buildable. Now I'm going to do my bottom lash again. I don't need to, and I wouldn't do it unless I was doing something like this for a video, just for learning purposes. But guys, I am actually really liking this. Now, it also says that it is smudge proof. Alright guys, can you tell the difference in my lashes? And I will try to get a before picture so you could see them. Now, I could see that it has lengthened. It has added a lot of length. And it also separated the lash. There is no clumps. This is a really good mascara in my opinion. First application of the mascara goes on really well. It is buildable. I don't know how long I would build it up before the clumps start showing up. So I would stop at about 2 layers. I was happy with the first layer. This is actually a really good mascara, and I cannot believe when I first used it, I was like, whatever. But it has added length, and I do see that it has curled my lashes. Now, I don't know if that is where the formula dries up and it kind of draws your lashes kind of back. I'm not sure if that's how they do that. I don't know. But I did not use a curler. Now, what I'm going to do, and I usually curl my lashes before I put on my mascara. This time, I'm going to try to curl them with this mascara on just to see what it does. Guys, let's see what she does. Now, I don't know if it's going to take this off or what, but it also says it's smudge proof. Well, it don't look like it really done any extra curling, but I do believe the mascara itself, when I did put it on, it curled them. I am going to add one more coat on this right eye just to see what it does after curling the lashes, which again, I usually just do that before my mascara. And let's see if she's going to clump up on us. And I'm pretty sure it will. Guys, it's not clumping. Is something wrong? Alright guys, this is the third layer. Let's check out these bottom ones. And I am still, and it has built up once again, and there's no clumps. Usually a third coat of any one of my mascaras is going to clump. This is crazy. Now guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it dry up a little bit, and I'm going to kind of rub my eyes because it does state that it is smudge proof. So we're going to find out if it is. Okay guys, so this one is fully dry. This one is not quite dry yet, but I'm going to kind of rub my eyes. Just like you normally would, like if you had an itch in your eye or something. Okay. Now, here's what I see, guys. I don't believe it's completely smudge-proof because right there, you can see the black up underneath my eye. So, I don't believe it is smudge-proof. And some of these makeup companies, they put stuff on there that it's not really true. It's not true. Not true at all. Because it's smudge. It's not smudge-proof because there it is. There it is on the bottom of my eye. But again, it's only been a couple of minutes, so it might not be completely dry. There could have been something else. But anyways, now let's back up. Guys, now my final thoughts on this mascara. Now, I've had it on for about an hour now, and I really do like it. I am enjoying this mascara, and I do want to play with it just a little bit more. I want to see how long it lasts during the day. There's a couple of more things that I want to do to it just to see if it stands up to all the hype. So far, so good, guys. I'm really liking it. And again, I don't know the difference in a lash pomade and a mascara. If I find the difference, I'll put it somewhere around here. That way y'all could check that out. But I do really like this mascara, and I'm definitely going to use it again and again and again. I want to see it work to its fullest potential, if you know what I mean, if that makes any sense. That is it for this video, and if you enjoyed it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you next video. Bye, guys. Big expectations. Oh, shit.